Hi guys, in this video I'm going to discuss about print triangle pattern like this format. So I had to enter the number, I entered 5. So the output come this all. Suppose if I enter number 6, then I had to 6 come 6 times. So let's do it. Next I'm going to discuss about the tran method of this program. So if you debug the code, control comes to main method. Here after that coincide. So actually I have taken 4 integer variable. First is n, next I, j, k. So at a console class.writeTime method, so whatever in double quote that display into the output screen, and whatever I'm going to enter, so that received by n. So I'm going to enter n value 5. And hereafter for loop, so I value start from 1, that check the condition, n value I enter 5, so 1 less than 5, condition is true, that go inside, j value start from 1, and here check the condition 1 less than equal to 1, I value is 1, j value is 1, condition is true, that go inside. So at here, that print I value. So I value is now 1, that print. And hereafter that increase the value of j. So j is 2 now. So at here, check the condition 2 less than equal to 1. Condition is not true, not coincide. Hereafter control comes to this point. Console class dot write line method. Then cursor blink to the new line. And hereafter that go up, increase the value of I. So I is 2 now. Check the condition 2 less than equal to n value 5. Condition is true, that coincide. Here j start from 1 again. And here, check the condition 1, I value is 2, 1 less than equal to 2, condition is 2, that coincide here, console class dot write, so that print I value. So I value is not 2, so that print. And here after j increase, so j is not 2, check the condition 2 equal to 2, condition is 2, that coincide, so again that print I value. So 2 print. Here after j increase, so j is now 3. Check the condition 3 less than equal to 2, condition is not true, not coincide here, console class dot write line method, then cursor brings the near line. Hereafter that go up, increase the value of I. So I is 3 now. Check the condition 3 less than equal to 5. Condition is 2. That coincide here. J value start from 1 again. Check the condition 1 less than equal to I value is 3. Condition is 2. That coincide. So that print I value. So I is now 3. So 3 print. Hereafter J increase. So J is 2 now. Check the condition 2 less than equal to 3. Condition is 2. That coincide. Again that print I value. So 3 print. Hereafter J increase. So J is now 3. Check the condition 3 equal to 3, condition is 2, that coincides here, that print I value. So 3 print. Hereafter j increase, so j is now 4. Check the condition 4 less than equal to 3, condition is not true, not coincide here. Console class dot write line method, then cursor bring to the new line. Hereafter that curve increase the value of I. So I is now 4. Check the condition 4 less than equal to n value 5, condition is 2, that coincides j value start from 1. At here, check the condition 1 less than equal to I value is 4. Condition is 2, that coincide, that print I value. So I value is now 4, 4 print. Hereafter j increase, so j is now 2. Check the condition 2 less than equal to I value is 4. Condition is 2, that print I value. So I is now 4, 4 print. Hereafter j increase, so j is 3 now. Check the condition 3 less than equal to 4. Condition is 2, that coincide, that print I. So again that print 4. Hereafter j increase, so j is now 4. Check the condition 4 equal to 4, condition is 2, that coincide here, that print 4 again. Hereafter j increase, so j is now 5. Check the condition 5 equal to I value is also 5 and I value is 4. 5 less than 4, condition is not to not coincide. Here console class dot write none method, then cursor bring to the new line. Here after that increase the value of I. So I is now 5. Now check the condition 5 equal to 5, condition is true, that coincide. Here j value start from 1 again. And here check the condition 1, I value is 5, 1 less than 5, condition is true, that coincide, that print I value. So I value is 5, 5 print. Hereafter that increase the value of j, so j is 2 now. Check the condition 2 less than equal to 5, condition is 2, that coincide. Here that print I value, so 5 print. Hereafter that increase the value of j, so j is 3 now. Check the condition 3 less than equal to 5, condition is 2, that coincide. Here that print I value, so 5 print. Hereafter j increase, so j is now 4. Check the condition 4 less than equal to 5, condition is 2, that print I value, so I value is 5, 5 print. Hereafter j increase, so j is now 5. Check the condition 5 equal to 5, condition is 2, that coincide, that print I value. So I value is 5, 5 print. Hereafter j increase, so j is now 6. Check the condition 6 less than I value is 5, condition is not true, not coincide. Here console class dot write and method, then cursor bring to the new line. Hereafter that increase the value of I, so I is now 6. Check the condition 6 less than equal to n value 5, condition is not true, so that not coincide. Here control comes to this band. So at your console class dot readline method, then this take one input from keyboard and terminate the output scan. And next that out from main function. So we get this output 1, 2, 2, 3 times 3, 4 times 4, 5 times 5. So this is the drive method of this program. So I hope guys you understand. So thanks for watching. See you in next video.